Jai Ho, and my dear children of class 4. This is your physical instructor welcoming you all for this session. And today let us begin our second topic, that is movement education. So in movement education we are going to study about physical exercise. So as you know very well, whenever we are playing any game, we require some body exercises to be performed to keep ourselves fit and fine. So why do we do exercise? Do you all know why do we do exercise? Yes children, I'll tell you all. So to keep ourselves good for health and fitness, to for our good health and our body fitness, to be strong, to be ready, to be active, to perform the game whichever we are playing in a best way. So to keep our body fit and fine, to keep ourselves strong, we do exercises. So there are few points which we will go step by steps. Come on, let's see. So the first one is warm up exercise. Yes. So warm up exercise. So there are different kinds of warm up exercises: standing warm up, running warm up, stretching warm up, and all. Circuit training is there. So these are called warm up. So why do we do warm up? So before we play any game, whenever we are playing any game, so to make our body active, to get into the force, so there are different kinds of exercise. So when our body gets activated, the parts of our body which we make use while playing, so to make that body parts active, strong, and to give best without getting any injuries, so there are some muscle pull, muscle strain, twist, ankle twist. Yes, so these are some small injuries happen during playing because we have not done a proper warming up exercises. So as we are in a relaxed position and we go and play, so when we go and play we will not get any hurt or injury, but while playing or after playing our body will start paining. And why it starts paining? Because the exercise what is required, we are not doing that. So that exercise we have to perform before playing the game or before playing any of the sports. So let us see the second point: jogging and running. Yes, very important. So when we are going to perform or when we are going to play any game, any sports, first thing is we should do jogging. There are some rounds we should take, or some timing is there, some kilometer is there, we should do some jogging. Then we have to do some running. So in this what happens is the muscles gets activated, the force what we need, the strength what we need, and to give best performance while playing without any cramps or muscle pull or any such injuries, we do jogging, running, and then warm up exercise. Let us see the third point. So general warm up exercise, toe to head and head to toe. So what are the general common exercises? If you are playing football, if you are playing cricket, volleyball, kabaddi, throw ball, handball, basketball, hockey, or athletics. So while playing these sports, while playing these games, general warming up exercises should be done by every athlete, by every player. So what are those general basic exercises? So it is starting from our head, ending at our toe, or you can start with your toe and end at your head. So there are some neck rotation movement, half neck rotation, then up down rotation, side looks rotation, side press rotation, then shoulder rotation, yeah, then wrist rotation, hand rotation, then again hand rotation, many exercises, trunk, legs, some stretching and all. So these are the warm up exercise we should do. So either we can do running exercises, we can do standing exercises, or we can do some stretching exercises which we start from our head and at our toes, or starting from the toe and ending at the head. Now let us see the next point. So exercise on counts. Yes, exercise on counts. As you might have seen the previous video where we did some stretching warm-up exercises where we were doing the exercise with the counts. So it helps in our body that we are not giving the more pressure to one particular part or one particular area of our body. So we give exact counts for each body part, so there are no harm, there is no harmness for our body parts. So we do with count. So count is like 1 2 3 4 and it is till 8, and then reverse, as you know very well when we are doing mass PT exercise. So while doing mass PT exercise also we count 1 to 8 and 8 to 1. If we are doing aerobic exercises, in aerobic exercises also we do with counting. So we know exactly what we are doing and how many times we are doing, so how many sets of exercise we are doing and how much time we are giving for each body part in warming exercises or stretching exercises and circuit training exercises and many more exercises. So let us see the last point what is there in this. So base for sports performance. So exercise, as you know, I told you earlier only, say it is for our good health and our body fitness. And along with this, why it is necessary that we should do exercise, for whether it is in the morning or in the evening or before playing. So it is, see, you know the technique, you know the skill of the game, but for our body and the game what we are playing, so before playing it is just like a base where you become strong, you get strength, you get power, you get stamina collected, you get confidence. So these are the things which is a base for a sports person, a base for a athlete, wherever whichever game you are playing. So for that game, how fit and fine you are, how strong you are, how much stamina you are having, how much fitness you are having. So that is the reason that before any game or whenever we are going on the ground, we should do some warming exercises, some stretching exercises, because it is the base of a human body to play the game, to perform in the sports. So whenever you are playing any game, exercises is the main base foundation. As well, you know, okay, when we are constructing, like anywhere you might have seen also, when the construction is going on, first the base is there, then the building stands, then we build a house, mall and many bridges. So why the base is there? So that the base can control, or the base is having the capacity to bear all the weight on them. Same way, exercises is a main base for a sports person. If you do exercises, you will be good, you will be fit, you will be fine, you will be healthy. So my dear children, we should do exercise every day in the morning as well as in the evening. Plus, whenever we are performing, whenever we are going to play any match, or whenever we are going to do practice, warm up is the first thing which we should do before play. So my dear children, today we have seen some few points related to physical exercises in movement education. So this is going to help us when we are going to perform, when we are going to play on the ground. So now it's time to say bye to you all. Take care. Have a great day. Jai Hind.